Hey friends, Phil Ebener here, and today it's a drizzly day in Southern California, which is kind of rare for April. And I thought it was the perfect day to just sit back, relax, and do a couple unboxings. So in this video, I'm going to be unboxing and testing out the Movo WMX-20 wireless lavalier set. I have never used a Movo wireless lavalier set before, so this will be fun. I'm actually needing one that I can just pair up with my kit, bring around, take outside, and that's easy to use and high quality. So hopefully this suits that, that desire. And so I'm just gonna open it up, check it out. I haven't played around with it. Movo did send this over, so thank you Movo for sending it over, and I'll be giving my honest feedback. I'll be comparing it to a couple different microphones. I'm in my studio with the door open, which has maybe you can hear some rain in the background. So I think it'll provide a nice little context for how these do. So in here, standard, just one microphone kit. It's got the receiver and the transmitter. So one end you'll plug the microphone into, the other you will plug into either your camera or into an audio recorder. So that's great. Looks like it has just your standard clip, as well as an onboard mount. So this can be used to screw into the back of the receiver and put on the top of your camera, which is nice. The one thing that I will always say I never am surprised at with these sort of budget entry-level videographer microphone kits is the size of the microphone. The more professional microphones will be smaller and just easier to hide. So it's a pretty standard size lapel mic, but then you put on this little windscreen and it gets quite large. Now you can of course put this underneath a shirt, you can hide it under a tie, under a jacket, under a scarf, but it's quite a large microphone. Here's the connector that will connect from the receiver into your audio recorder or a camera that has an XLR plug, and then it looks like it comes with the standard mic jack as well. So these take AA's. So I'm gonna go find some AA's and we'll test it out. All right, got everything plugged in, working. So right now you're listening to the shotgun microphone, and now you're going to be listening to the Movo. So I haven't listened to this. I'm going to listen to this in post and see how it sounds. So pay attention to what the lavalier Movo sounds like compared to now you're listening to the shotgun microphone. And now you're listening to the onboard Rode VideoMic Pro, which is about 5 feet away, so pretty far. So I'm gonna do a quick test now just to see how far I can get and see how far the transmitter works. And let's do that now. All right, so we're here in my backyard about 10 feet away amongst the kids' toys and everything, the ramps that we've been building for our Hot Wheels car, about 15 feet away, 20 feet. Probably. And let me know if you can hear the rain in the background. I'm sure you can. I'm probably about 30 feet away, 30 feet. I'm just gonna keep walking, talking. I'm really surprised that it's raining today. It usually doesn't rain, as I mentioned, ever in Southern California. So now I'm about probably 40 feet away, approximately 40, 50 feet away. I'm just gonna keep going until I reach my fence, and then you can tell, we'll see if you heard me or not. Kids' toys, getting drenched in the rain. What are we gonna do today when we can't go outside? That's okay, I love the rain. All right, so I'm probably a good solid 70 feet away or so. And so now I'm just gonna see how that sounds. So you've been listening to the Movo wireless microphone. Now I'm walking so that you can kind of see what that sounds like. If that's what lavaliers are great for, wireless lavaliers are great for. you can be doing quick action moves and be capturing all of that audio. All right, I'm gonna head into the computer, check out this audio myself, see what it sounds like. All right, so, well, what can I say? I think that it sounds pretty dang good for an inexpensive option for a wireless lavalier set. Right now, it's 150 US dollars on Amazon, and I would say that's a pretty competitive price compared to some of the other options out there. And the quality of the audio, it sounded to my ears just as good as some of my other more professional lavalier sets. And also the transmission wirelessly did really well on that test of me getting pretty far away. So I'm very happy with this kit. It's definitely one that I'm going to be keeping around and using as one of my main lavalier kits for shoots in the future. All right, thanks so much for watching this video. Thanks Movo for sending it over. And I hope this was helpful for anyone who is considering purchasing this wireless kit for your own videography needs. I'll leave a link down below in the description where you can check out this kit on Amazon. And of course that is an affiliate link, so just helps me out if you go through that link. Thanks a lot. And yeah, thanks a lot, and we'll see you in another video. Bye, have a beautiful day.